When it comes to anything in the kitchen, I look for two things: simple and healthy. I really don't like complicated recipes. So in this video, I want to share 4 super easy and healthy drinks that I like to make during the fall and winter time to help keep me warm. One of my favorite teas to make during this time is cinnamon ginger tea. It's my go-to tea at the first sign of sickness. I mentioned it in my sick day routine video. If you want to check that video out, I'll have it linked in the description box. This tea has so many immune boosting properties, and aside from that, it's delicious. So to make this, I start by heating a pot of water, and while that comes to a boil, I peel and cut fresh ginger root. Once the water starts boiling, I add the ginger and 1 cinnamon stick. I let this boil for 15 to 20 minutes, and then once that's done, I pour this into my cup and I squeeze in some fresh lemon juice, and then I like to sweeten it with raw honey. And on those days when I am sick, I will basically drink this all day long. I am a chocolate lover, and it's definitely still possible to enjoy a cup of hot chocolate and keep it healthy at the same time. The important thing here is to use raw cacao powder, not cocoa powder, which is way more processed. So what I like to do is, in a saucepan, I combine 1 cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of cacao powder, a splash of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon of pure maple syrup. I stir all of the ingredients together as it heats up, and then it's ready to enjoy. And this is the perfect treat to have on any cold day. One of my favorite warm drinks to have is matcha. I love to have a cup of matcha in the mornings especially. It really helps to get me going for the day ahead. Like coffee, matcha contains caffeine, so it does give you a boost of energy, but unlike coffee, it doesn't come with a crash because matcha contains an amino acid that helps the body absorb the caffeine more slowly, so it's more gradual. And it also has many health benefits. A fun fact about matcha is that 1 cup of matcha contains the nutrient value of 10 cups of green tea. So that's a whole lot of antioxidants. So essentially it's a concentrated version of green tea. And you can enjoy this many different ways, but today I want to share a very simple matcha latte recipe that I like to make. All I do is heat a 1/4 cup of water, and in a separate pot I heat 3/4 cup of almond milk. Then I whisk the matcha with the hot water, and then I pour in the milk. I like to drink this unsweetened, but you can definitely sweeten this with honey or maple syrup. Golden milk is a creamy drink full of nutrients, and it's something that I like to have as a quick afternoon pick-me-up. It's a traditional Indian drink packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties thanks to the many spices it contains. Now, there are many recipes out there on how to make this, and I'm pretty sure, I'm almost certain, that the one that I make is not the traditional version. So if you're looking to try the real deal, I recommend doing your own research on that. But this is how I like to make it. I combine 1 cup of almond milk with a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, an 1/8 teaspoon each of ginger and cinnamon powder, a little bit of vanilla extract, and a pinch of ground black pepper, which will help the body absorb the turmeric better. So I just heat this up just until it's hot, not boiling, and then it's ready to serve. So those are some of my favorite warm, healthy drinks to make during the fall and winter time. So I'll have all the recipes in the description box below, and I'd love to hear what some of your favorites are. So share your recipes in the comments section so I can try them out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.